Established in 1982, Willclean Industrial Services Ltd has been providing a reliable and functional cleaning service for businesses throughout the Midlands. From multi-storey buildings to office windows, Willclean Industrial Services Ltd provides a cleaning solution. Specialising in hard-to-reach places, we are the cleaning company to trust. Willclean Industrial Services Ltd will tailor all services to your office's individual needs. We can deliver a premium office cleaning service, complete with free site survey. We offer industrial and manufacturing cleaning for all clients. From small factories to large industrial estates, our team offer a fast, efficient and reliable industrial cleaning service. Willclean Industrial Services Ltd prides itself on offering a value-for-money commercial cleaning service. As an independent business, we are able to tailor all of our services to your needs and budget. All services come with a free quotation and full survey for total peace of mind. Call us today for more information or discover more online.